Hi, welcome back. This is the second part of our lesson for today, simplifying radicals, this time with variables. So earlier, we just did the simple radicals and radicand. We're just simplifying radicand there. Now we put some variables in it. But before that, let's recall all these number up, which says perfect square. So we list down the perfect squares earlier, and since we are now putting some variables on it, the exponent must be multiples of 2 since it's a perfect square. Perfect cube. So the exponent must be multiples of cube means 3. And then perfect fourths or fourth root would be perfect fourth. So again, make sure that all the exponents of your variables will be divisible on this number. Let's start with number 9. So these examples can be found in page 10. Again, I will put the PDF file packet of these examples. All right. Number 9, it says square root of 32x to the fourth y to the ninth power. Since there's no index here, it means that it is a perfect square. So 32, we need to think of a number that contains a perfect square number, and that will be 16 since 32 is easy. So that gives us, let's just create a big radical symbol so we can simplify everything at one place. All right. So again, 16, it can be factored by 16 and 2. X to the fourth is 4 divisible by 2. Yes, it is. So we can keep 4 because since it's divisible by the exponent or by the index. And then 9 is 9 divisible by 2, which is the index. No. So we need to break down 9. So 9 can be break down as what I said, your exponent must be multiples of 2. So I would say we have 8 and y raised to 1. Again, exponent rule. If you are adding exponent with the same base, you're just if you are multiplying terms with the same base, you are just adding the exponent. So let's break it down. So 16 can be break down by 4 and 4. Is that right? So 2 cannot, so it will stay. X to the fourth can be split by x squared and x squared. Again, applying the exponent rule. 2 plus 2 is still be equal to 4. Y to the 8th power can be split by y to the 4th and y to the 4th. Again, applying exponent rule, 4 plus 4 is still equal to it. Cancel 1, take 1, cancel 1, take 1, cancel 1, take 1. These numbers which we encircle will be staying outside, and those left over will stay inside. So these are 4x squared, y to the 4th, square root. So I'm gonna write all those leftovers inside 2y. So the answer is 4x squared y to the 4th square root of 2y. Let's go to the second one. All right. Square root of 324. I don't know what factor will make 324. So 324 divided by, let's say, 36. Oh, it is. So 36 and 9 are perfect squares. So 36 times 9 is 324. So it is a perfect square root. So square root of 324 is 18. All right? It's 18. So we're going to just split that into, we can leave it alone. So since 324 is a perfect square root, I show it to you that it's 18 times 18 is 324. So a cube, since 3 is not divisible by 2 or multiples of 2, we can create a breakdown of a squared and a raised to 1. As what I said, 2 plus 1, exponent rule, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. B raised to 7, 7 is not multiple of 2. So we need to break down 7 by B6 and B raised to 1. Now, we need to split them or break it down. 324 would be 18 and 18. A squared would be A and A. B to the 6 would be B cube and B cube. So Cancel, take one, cancel, take one, cancel, take one, and those leftovers will stay under the radical. So the answer would be 18ab cubed square root of, what are the leftovers? That would be a and b. So the answer is 18ab cubed square root of ab. All right, number 11. 216 is 216 a square root or perfect cube. So the index has 3, so it's a perfect cube root. So we don't know. It's a cube. So 216, is it a perfect cube root? I think so. So where can I find the cube root? You're going to press math and then go to cube root here, or this one. And then press 216, and that's it. 6. Oh, it's a perfect cube root, so we don't need to worry about that. Now, is 3 multiples of 3? Yes. Is 6 multiples of 3? Yes. So we'll just split them into 3. 1, 2, 3, and that will be, what's the answer again? 6. All right, 6 times 6 times 6, and cube will be multiplied, split into 3. That'll be m times m times m, and will be split into 3, and squared, and squared, and squared. Got it? Now, cancel 2, take 1, cancel 2, take 1, cancel 2, take 1. Now, question, do we have a leftover? There's none. Very good. All right, the answer would be 6m and squared. There you go. Got it? Next, number 12. For number 12, it says cube root, meaning to say we need to choose a factor from this number. So 56. 56, is it a perfect cube root? I don't think so. So 56, is it divisible by 8? Yes, it is. So it's 8 times 7. So we're going to have cube root of 8 times 7. Is it 8 multiples of 3? No. So we're going to split r by r to the 6 and r squared. Got it? Since 6 is a multiples of 3 and 2 is not, that will be your prime exponent. And then s to the 4th is 4 multiples of 3? No. So we're going to split s by s cubed and s1. Now split them into 3. That'll be 2, 2, 2. R to the 6 will be r squared, r squared, r squared. S will be split into s, s, s. Got it? Now, cancel 2, take 1, cancel 2, take 1, cancel 2, take 1. Is there any leftovers? Yes, 7, R, and S. Now, for the final answer, we're going to write first those encircled number. That's 2, R squared, S. And then cube root of 7, R squared, S. There you go. So this will be your final answer. Next, number 13. We only have a few minutes left. All right. Cube root of negative 64. What if we have negative? Don't worry about that. Just think of a number that will make negative 64. So, is 64 one of the perfect cube? The answer is yes. So we need to leave it like that. Is 10 multiples of 3? No. So we need to split that. So cube root of, so I'm going to leave negative 64 alone. 10 will be split into 9 and 1. Is it 12 or multiples of 3? Yes. So let's leave 9, 12 there. Now, let's start splitting them into 3. As what I said, it depends on what would be your index. So 64 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Positive 16 times negative 4 is negative 64. X to the 9th power. X cubed, x cubed, x cubed. And then y12 would be y fourth, y fourth, y fourth. Or 12 divided by 3 is 4. Got it? Take 2, take 1, cancel 2, cancel 2, take 1, cancel 2, take 1. Alright? Do we have leftovers? Yes, we do. So the final answer is negative 4 x cubed y to the fourth cube root of, I'm sorry, I don't have enough space. So x, that's it, cube root of x. So this is the answer for that. All right. Next, number 14. So 14 is still cube root. So we're gonna look at here if one of the factor of this number is there. So I think 81 is a perfect cube root. I'm not sure actually. So let's see. 81. So 81 divided by 27. So 27 is here, so that will be the factor of that. Is 2 a multiples of 3? No. Is 2 a multiples of 3? Yes. So we're going to have cube root of, so negative 81. We're going to have negative 27 times 3. All right? And then t squared, we can't do anything about t squared, so let's leave it like that. And then q would be copy. All right, let's flip this. So negative 27, it will be factored by negative 3, and negative 3. Then p squared, as what I said, we can't do anything about it, so leave it like that. Q can be split 12 divided by 3 is 4, so q to the 4th, q to the 4th, and q to the 4th. Cancel 2, take 1, cancel 2, take 1. Got it? So the answer is negative 3, and then q to the 4th, and then the leftovers are 3p squared. So this is your answer. I hope, just zoom in the video, whatever, I don't know. I'm not a techie person, so that's why I'm not editing any of these. All right, number 15. I only have a few more minutes. So 15, fourth root. Fourth root meaning, so we need to split it into 4. Is 4 multiples of 4? Yes. Is 17 multiples of 4? No. So we're going to split it, 4. So you're going to have w raised to 4, and then v raised to 16, and then v raised to 1. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be w, 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 and this would be v, what do you think? 4, 4, 4? 4, 4, 4, 4. Cancel 3, take 1, cancel 3, take 1. So the answer is what? That will be w v to the fourth root of v. Am I right? We should. Now, if you see something wrong of this video, please comment below and let me know, and I will correct it immediately. So sorry for that. Next, number is 16. Oh, we can still have one more. All right. Fourth root of 48. 48 is 48, not here, so 48 is divisible by 16. Yes, it's 3. So you're going to have fourth root of, you said 16. Yeah. So 16 times 3. 8 is multiples of 4, so we need to keep it like that. And to the 8, n cubed, we can't do anything about it, just copy it. All right, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4, 4, 4, yes, that is right. M to the 8 would be 8 divided by 4 is 2. So m squared, m squared, m squared, m squared, cancel 3, take 1, cancel 3, take 1. Is that right? Yes. All right. The answer is 2m squared, fourth root of, is there any left over? Yes, we do. And cube. So that's the answer. All right. I hope. Do we still have one more? Okay, few minutes left. 625. Is 625 a perfect fourth root? We don't know. Math, and then go here. And then go here, and then get inside 625. It says yes, fine. All right, so we're gonna have fourth root of 625 because it's a perfect fourth root. C to the 23. 23 is not multiples of 4, so we're gonna have 20 times c cubed. And then d would be 8, and d 8, 9, 10, 11, so that's 3. split this in 4, split this in 4, split this in 4. All right? So that will be says 5. 5, 5, 5.